Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change password in Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app. So once you open your Yahoo Mail app, all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon and hit the account info. Once you do this, an external link will get opened, so you need to simply go through it. And once you tap on the external link, you will end up in the page overview section, where all you need to do is simply tap on security. Once you tap on security, you can scroll down below where you can find the change password option. Once you tap it on, you can either keep the password as suggested by your device, or you can set it by yourself and hit the continue button. So once you have set your new password, you need to hit the continue button and you are all set. So you can even save your newly updated password by update password option, and you can see that the latest changed password will be shown down there in your password section. So in this way you can change password of your Yahoo Mail according to your preference. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.